am going to speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru or Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru was a great freedom fighter of India. He was also very close to Mahatma Gandhi. He took part in many freedom struggles, fighting for the rights of poor and needy. He died on 27th May 1964 due to heart
Became a first prime minister in 1947. He was worked hard for the progress of a country. Famous was like love of children. Him called Chacha Nehru. His birthday we celebrated of Children's Day.
My gratitude of all them. First, I'll extend my heartfelt thanks to our principal Shri Khandekar sir and supervisor Bhosle sir, whose guidance and encouragement always inspire us to do our best. I would also like to express special gratitude to our respected judges, so Alna madam and Shinde madam, for the taking out your variable time with us today. Our evaluation, appreciation and suggestion will define help our student improve and shine even brighter the future. Thank you very much sir and madam and our English head department Bhandwalkar madam and teachers representative Kanse sir. I would also like to thank the stage management team, decoration team, and finally heartful thanks to our dear audience, teachers, students and all present here. Your encouragement and support made this program truly meaningful. Once again, thank you everyone. Thank you.
We have organized in our school in behalf of our English department some competitions that are essay writing competition, good handwriting competition, making greeting card competition and elocution competition. Very glad to distribute the certificates today, the winners. So now I declare the results.